Hi, today I'm doing a tour of 9268 Gunbarrel Ridge Road up here in Boulder, actually Gunbarrel border. So it's one of the most spectacular properties as far as views and scenery and acreage. It's 2.3 acres and it's really a stunner. So let's go inside. If you look over here, the views begin. It's amazing. So let's head in the front door. Everything's original. So you have your nice open living area as you walk in, fireplace to the right, dining area, incredible views out of every single window in this place. Down living area with real wood burning fireplace, and then it's just a loop around. As you see, we came in the front door here. Let's head out the back. Let's look at that. You have mature, beautiful fir trees. The most incredible views. Garden to green up. There's a trail out back. You can have horses here. It's a horse property also. It's very private. 2.3 acres. You have an upstairs balcony too. So you get even better views from upstairs. So let's head over there. Into the first bedroom. It's got a nice balcony. Head down to the basement. First bedroom in front. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 9268 Gunbarrel Ridge Road up here in Gunbarrel Boulder area. And if you'd like a private tour or have any more questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I'd love to give you a tour. And until next time.